Good evening friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well and everything that is going on in your life, that is going very well. So with that, I am starting with today's topic. Today's topic being, drinking RO water is not good for your health. Yes, you are hearing it right. So every day we see in the advertisements like you should drink RO water, reverse osmosis water, and that membrane technology and all these things. Friends, drinking those water is not safe for our health. That is very sure. I am very sure with it because these kind of technologies were made for industrial uses. Like demineralized water is used for industrial purposes, not in drinking purpose. They are just doing it like they want to get more profit, because in industries they have a limit, like this much of limit they have the consumption, but after that they are going off limit, so they are pushing it into the people's diet also. They are giving that bottled packaged water and all these things. But demineralized water is really not good for your health, because it is leaching out the minerals like calcium and magnesium from our water that we are drinking. It is having a very health issues. It is giving us health issues like we are feeling tired, we are getting that gastrointestinal diseases. Sometimes we have a kidney problem also. It is giving us cardiovascular diseases. Heart attack, heart disease also we are getting, and many kind of diseases we are getting out of this kind of water also. Because then moreover, this RO water is very acidic. Its pH lies between 6 to 6.5, and the water that we consume should have a pH that is neutral, that is 7 to 7.4, like 7 only we should drink. So that kind of water we need. But most of the people now, they have started consuming that RO water, reverse osmosis water. So, and these people are falling prey to all these kind of diseases that is coming out. You will see, you age very early when you drink this reverse osmosis water, because the certain kind of minerals that is very essential for us, like calcium and magnesium, it is depleting it. So the result is what? We are feeling tired, we are getting less of energy. Those minerals are not there in our body. Copper is also not there. It is very important, because when you get water from the underground, the tap water, it is very good because it is having all those minerals. Like before, we used to do what? We used to put some alum in water, and then it used to purify, and then we used to drink that water. Or sometimes we used to boil that water and then put alum, and then we used to filter that with a cloth or some mesh. We used to do the filtration of the water, and then used to put it in a drinking bottle or something, and then we used to drink. That is the best version of water, the drinking water. That is very good for our health. Otherwise, you get all these kind of diseases which were not there. Just you analyze yourself if you're drinking the reverse osmosis water. These reverse osmosis water was actually for the industrial purpose, not for domestic use. But they are pushing it in the domestic use because they get lots of profit. Lots of companies are pushing it into the mainstream drinking purpose also. But this is not the thing. We are getting lots of gastrointestinal diseases, many minerals like magnesium and all these things we are not getting to drink. So we are getting those kind of diseases. Our bones are also becoming brittle and all these things. You will analyze, you see if that is the case with you. So I do not drink this demineralized water. I drink that tap water. I just keep it in my, I take the tap water and I just heat it, then I cool it down and then put some alum and then filter it and put it in the bottles, and then we all drink in the family. So this is how, like the previous time, how people used to do. And at the most, even you can keep that water in a copper bottle also, morning, you can drink. But do not keep it in a copper bottle also for long, because that is also going to give you that copper poisoning thing, and your kidneys are going to get damaged. So always remember this. So if you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I shall come to you another day with another topic. Till then, please be happy and be healthy in your life. Bye.